Adblock Chrome Android. Install the new version, 2024. Presenter in front of the camera with an Android phone and a laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Dezco Morgan. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Adblock on Chrome for Android in 2024. If you're tired of annoying ads while browsing, this is the perfect solution for you. So, let's get started. Screen recording of an Android device, opening the Chrome browser. Before we begin, let's understand why you need Adblock. Pop-ups, banner ads, and video ads can slow down your browsing experience, consume data, and sometimes even contain malware. With Adblock, you can enjoy a smoother, faster, and safer browsing experience. Step 1. Check Chrome version. Visual navigating to Chrome settings. About Chrome. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome on your Android device. To check this, open Chrome, tap on the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then scroll down to About Chrome. If an update is available, make sure to update your browser before proceeding. Step 2. Downloading Adblock. Visual, opening Google Play Store and searching for Adblock apps. Next, we need to install an Adblock app. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for Adblock for Chrome or similar trusted apps like AdGuard or Blockada. Always read the reviews and check the ratings before installing any app. Step 3. Installing and configuring Adblock. Visual, installing Adblock app and opening it. Once you install the Adblock app, open it and follow the setup instructions. Most Adblock apps require accessibility or VPN permissions to filter out ads effectively. Grant the necessary permissions and enable ad blocking. Step 4. Enabling Adblock in Chrome. Visual Chrome settings, site settings, ads. After installing Adblock, you can further enhance ad blocking by tweaking Chrome's built-in settings. Go to Chrome settings, then site settings, and scroll down to ads. Make sure to block intrusive or misleading ads. Step 5. Testing Adblock. Visual, visiting a website with many ads before and after enabling Adblock. Now, let's test if Adblock is working. Open a website that usually has a lot of ads and compare before and after results. If the ads are gone or reduced, congratulations! You have successfully installed Adblock on Chrome for Android. Bonus tips. Visual presenter giving additional tips. Here are a few bonus tips to improve your browsing experience even further. 1. Use light mode in Chrome to save data and load pages faster. 2. Try an alternative browser like Brave, which has built-in ad blocking. 3. Keep your apps updated for the best security and performance. Closing scene. Visual presenter smiling at the camera. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Dezco Morgan, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Happy browsing. End screen with subscribe button and video suggestions. 1. Why you need Adblock. We all know how frustrating it is to browse the internet and be bombarded with ads. From pop-ups to auto-playing videos, these ads slow down your browsing and make the experience less enjoyable. That's why installing an ad blocker is a great idea. 2. What is Adblock? Adblock is a browser extension that helps you block ads, trackers, and unwanted pop-ups. It enhances your browsing experience by making websites load faster and protecting your privacy. Is Adblock available for Chrome on Android? Unlike on a desktop, Chrome on Android doesn't officially support extensions like Adblock. However, there are alternative ways to block ads effectively while using Chrome. 4. Different methods to block ads. There are multiple ways to block ads on Chrome for Android. 1. Using an alternative browser with built-in Adblock. 2. Using a dedicated Adblock app. 3. Modifying Chrome settings. 5. Best Adblock browsers for Android. If you want an easy solution, browsers like Brave, Kiwi, and Samsung Internet come with built-in ad blocking features. Simply install them and enjoy an ad-free browsing experience. 6. Installing an Adblock app. One of the most effective ways to block ads is by using a third-party app. Apps like AdGuard and Blockada work system-wide to block ads, including in Chrome. 7. How to install AdGuard. To install AdGuard, follow these steps. 1. Visit the official AdGuard website. 2. Download the APK file. 3. Enable installation from unknown sources in your phone's settings. 4. Install and configure the app. Using DNS-based ad blocking. Another method is using a custom DNS provider like NextDNS or AdGuard DNS. This blocks ads before they even reach your browser. On how to set up AdGuard DNS. 1. Go to your phone settings. 2. Navigate to Network and Internet, Private DNS. 3. Enter dns.adguard.com and save. 4. Now Chrome will automatically block ads using the AdGuard DNS. 10. Chrome's built-in ad blocking features. Did you know Chrome has a built-in ad blocker? It's not as powerful as dedicated solutions, but it can reduce intrusive ads. You can enable it in Settings, Site Settings, Ads, and toggle it off. 11. Testing your adblock setup. After installing adblock, test if it works by visiting an ad-heavy website. If you still see ads, try restarting your browser or clearing the cache. 12 benefits of using adblock. Using adblock has several advantages. 1. Faster page loading speeds. 2. Reduced data usage. 3. Better privacy protection. 4. Improved user experience. Potential issues with adblock. While adblock is great, some websites may not load properly, and some content may be blocked unintentionally. If this happens, you can whitelist specific sites. 14. How to whitelist websites. If you want to support your favorite websites, you can disable adblock for them. 1. Open the adblock app or extension. 2. Find the allo list option. 3. Add the website you want to support. 15. Is adblock safe? Yes. As long as you download adblock from trusted sources like the official website or Google Play Store, it's completely safe to use. 16. Alternative adblock apps. Some other good adblock apps include 1. Block This. 2. DNS66. 3. NetGuard. 17. Keeping your adblock updated. Always update your adblock app to ensure it remains effective. Check for updates regularly to stay protected from new types of ads. 18. Legal and ethical considerations. Some websites rely on ads for revenue. Consider allowing ads on sites you trust and want to support. 19. Final thoughts. Blocking ads can improve your browsing experience significantly. Whether you use an ad-blocking browser, an app, or DNS-based blocking, there's a solution for everyone. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped you install AdBlock for Chrome on Android. Let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.
AdBlock for Chrome on Android. Install the new version 2025. In 2025, browsing the internet on Android devices has become even more seamless and secure with the latest version of AdBlock for Chrome. This essential tool helps users block intrusive ads, protect their privacy, and enhance their browsing experience. The new update offers improved functionality, better ad detection, and optimized performance. What is AdBlock for Chrome? AdBlock for Chrome is a browser extension that eliminates unwanted ads from websites. It helps users avoid annoying pop-ups, autoplay videos, and intrusive banners while browsing. Additionally, AdBlock enhances security by preventing malicious advertisements that could harm your device. Why use AdBlock on Android? Android users often experience excessive advertisements while browsing. These ads can slow down page loading times, consume additional data, and even pose security threats. By installing AdBlock on Chrome, users can enjoy a cleaner and faster browsing experience without disruptions. Features of the 2025 version. The latest version of AdBlock for Chrome on Android introduces several exciting features including 1. AI-powered ad blocking. Smarter algorithms to detect and block more ads effectively. 2. Lightning-fast browsing. Enhanced speed optimization for a seamless experience. 3. Advanced privacy protection. Blocks tracking scripts and fingerprinting attempts. 4. Customizable filters. Users can create personalized ad blocking rules. 5. Optimized battery usage. Designed to consume minimal power while running in the background. How to install AdBlock for Chrome on Android. Installing the new version of AdBlock for Chrome on Android is simple. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Google Play Store or Chrome Web Store. 2. Search for AdBlock for Chrome. 3. Select the latest version and tap Install. 4. Once installed, open Chrome and enable the extension. 5. Adjust the settings according to your preferences, setting up adblock for maximum efficiency. After installing adblock, users can customize it to suit their needs. Go to the extension settings and 1. Enable or disable specific filters. 2. Whitelist certain websites if needed. 3. Turn on advanced privacy features for better protection. 4. Enable AI-powered smart filtering for optimal ad blocking. Compatibility and system requirements. The 2025 version of adblock for Chrome is compatible with most Android devices running the latest Chrome browser. It requires minimal system resources and does not interfere with other applications. Benefits of using adblock. By installing adblock, users can enjoy several benefits. 1. Ad-free browsing. No more annoying pop-ups or video ads. 2. Better security. Protection against malicious ads and phishing attempts. 3. Data savings. Fewer ads mean less data consumption. 4. Improved speed. Faster website loading times. 5. Enhanced focus. A clutter-free browsing experience. Common issues and troubleshooting. Some users may encounter minor issues while using adblock. Here are common problems and solutions. 1. Ads still appearing. 1. Ensure adblock is enabled in Chrome settings and AI filtering is activated. 2. Slow performance. 2. Check for updates and clear the browser cache. 3. Website not loading properly. 3. Try disabling adblock for specific sites. 4. Extension not working. 4. Reinstall adblock and restart Chrome. Adblock versus other ad blockers. Adblock for Chrome is one of the most popular ad blocking solutions, but other alternatives exist, such as uBlock Origin and AdGuard. However, adblock stands out due to its AI-driven filtering, user-friendly interface, regular updates, and excellent customer support. Ethical considerations of ad blocking. While adblock enhances browsing, it also affects website revenue models. Many content creators rely on ads for income. Some users choose to whitelist sites they want to support, while still blocking intrusive advertisements. Is adblock legal? Yes, using adblock is completely legal. It is a tool designed to enhance user experience and protect privacy. However, some websites may detect ad blockers and request users to disable them to access content. Alternative methods to block ads. Besides using adblock, Android users can try other methods to block ads, such as 1. Using a browser with built-in ad blocking like Brave. 2. Configuring a private DNS with ad blocking capabilities. 3. Installing a VPN with an ad blocking feature. 4. Enabling Chrome's experimental built-in ad blocking settings. The future of ad blocking. As online advertisements evolve, so do ad blocking technologies. Future updates may include AI-driven real-time ad detection, improved customization options, and enhanced security features that work across all apps, not just browsers. Final thoughts. Installing adblock for Chrome on Android in 2025 is a great way to improve your browsing experience. With advanced AI-powered features, better performance, and enhanced privacy protection, this tool is a must-have for Android users who want a smoother and safer internet experience. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Q1. Is adblock free to use? Yes, adblock offers a free version with essential features. A premium version is also available with additional benefits. Q. Does adblock work on all websites? Most websites are effectively filtered, but some may detect and block ad blockers. Q3. Will adblock slow down my browser? No, the latest version is optimized to run efficiently without affecting browsing speed. By following this guide, you can successfully install and configure adblock for Chrome on your Android device, ensuring a seamless and ad-free browsing experience in 2025.